Looking at yourself in the mirror can be a daunting task, especially when all you can hear is negative self-talk. But today, we'll explore some effective strategies to help you break free from that pattern of negative self-talk and begin to recognize the strength and resilience within you. One effective strategy is to flood your mind with positive affirmations until they become a part of your daily thought process. Take some time each day to say positive things about yourself and your abilities, such as I am capable, I am talented, and I am worthy of love and respect. Over time, these affirmations will begin to drown out the negative self-talk. Another strategy is to engage in self-care activities that bring you joy and relaxation. This could be anything from taking a bubble bath to going for a walk in nature, to treating yourself to a massage. Taking care of yourself physically and emotionally can help you to feel more confident and positive about yourself. Finally, don't be afraid to seek support from loved ones. We all need a little help sometimes, and talking with someone you trust can give you a new perspective on your situation. Surround yourself with people who uplift and encourage you, and don't let negative influences bring you down.